can observe the speed. For, like I was saying, the mind, it wants to get a little faster, so the acting can get faster with it. So we observe the speed of hands and the speed of, picking up stuff from the floor, because that causes more tension. So it's something that as we observe, we get discernment more, and then we just keep on observing and how we act in a physical, which is very important to keep calm, and ergonomy and them thing, because we want the good energy, good vibration. So acting and speed, for example, and that is good to keep up. Them 4 now is 4. So the first 3 is observing the mind or the thoughts, the emotions, and the mood as they change. Not get identified over them. And the acting, for example, speed. And then we can move a little bit on the observing the physical body, which is giving us information also, or the tenseness in the body is information about how you have moved, or how you have moved. So there would be solution on that information could be restoration practice. It's noticing the body, the little things, little sensations of pain, tenseness, heaviness, that kind of thing. So we have now, as we observe, we are raising discernment.